Namaskar and welcome. In this video, we will walk you through the complete step-by-step process of registering on the COS portal of the Survey of India under the Naksha project, that is, the National Geospatial Knowledge-Based Land Survey of Urban Habitations. COS stands for Continuously Operating Reference Station. These are fixed GNSS reference stations that provide real-time correction data for high-accuracy positioning work such as cadastral surveys, RTK rover operations, and geospatial data collection. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to register on the COS portal and get your login credentials. So let us get started.
The first step is to open the CORS web portal. Open any web browser on your computer, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or Microsoft Edge, and type the following address in the address bar: https://cors.surveyofindia.gov.in. This will take you to the official CORS registration portal of the Survey of India. Once the homepage loads, you will see the website banner at the top that reads Setu Himachalam, from Kanyakumari to the Himalayas, which represents the national coverage of this CORS network. On the home page, at the bottom of the screen, you will find three buttons: Registration, Sign In, Buy Subscription. Click on the Registration button, the one highlighted with a red circle, to begin the registration process.
After clicking on Registration, the CORS registration page will open. Before you fill in any details, please make sure you have the following documents ready to upload. Photo ID proof. This can be your voter ID, driving license, Aadhaar card, or PAN card. Departmental ID card. This is required only for government and academic users. Annexure form. You need to download and submit the appropriate annexure form based on your user category. Annexure 1 is for government users. Annexure 2 is for private users. Annexure 3 is for R&D users. You can download these forms directly from the same registration page. Now, on the left side of the registration page, you will see a Select Region drop-down. The Survey of India CORS network is divided into two regions. You must select the region that is applicable to your geographic location. Region 1 covers Northern India. Region 2 covers Southern and Eastern India. Select your appropriate region from the drop-down. Next, enter your mobile number in the field provided. An OTP will be sent to this number for verification. Once you have selected the region and entered the mobile number, click on the Proceed button.
After clicking Proceed, the OTP verification screen will appear. You will see that the region and mobile number you entered are pre-filled on this screen. An OTP, one-time password, has been sent to your registered mobile number. Enter this OTP in the field provided. Important note: if you do not receive the OTP within 60 seconds, click on the Resend OTP button to request the OTP again. Once you have entered the correct OTP, click on the Verify OTP button to proceed to the next step. After OTP verification is successful, the complete CORS registration form will open. This form has two sections: Personal Information on the left and Document Upload on the right. Under Personal Information, you need to fill in the following mandatory fields marked with an asterisk. Name, enter your full name. Company, institute, organization name, enter your organization. Email ID, provide a valid email address. Your login credentials will be sent here. Address, enter your complete postal address. State, select your state from the drop-down. PIN code, enter your area PIN code. On the right side, fill in user type. Select whether you are a government user, private user, or R&D user. Photo ID type. Select the type of photo ID you are uploading. Upload photo ID proof. Click Choose File and upload your ID document. Accepted formats are JPG, JPEG, PNG, and PDF. Maximum file size allowed is 750 KB. Upload annexure. Upload the filled and signed annexure form. You can also click Download Annexure form if you haven't downloaded it yet. Category. Select the appropriate category from the drop-down. Once all mandatory fields are filled and documents are uploaded, click on the Submit button at the bottom of the form. Now, let me give you an overview of the Survey of India CORS network. As you can see on this map, the CORS network is spread across the entire country. It is divided into two main regions for efficient GNSS data distribution and processing. Region 1, shown in yellow on the map, covers northern and central India. Region 2, shown in hatched pattern, covers southern and eastern India. Additionally, Region 3 stations are maintained by state governments. The green dots on the map represent operational core stations, while orange dots indicate stations under upgradation, and black dots represent currently non-operational stations. For those of you who will be configuring your RTK rover or GNSS receiver to connect to the CORS network, here are the important NTRIP connection details. For Region 1, the IP address is 103.205.244.106. The IP port is 2101. For Region 2, the IP address is 43.240.5.42. The IP port is 2105. Please note these details carefully as you will need to enter them in your rover or data controller during field operations.
After you have successfully submitted the registration form, here is what will happen next. Step 1. Acknowledgement number. Upon successful submission, an acknowledgement number will be generated on the screen. Please note this number and keep it safe for future reference. You will need it if you want to track the status of your application. Step 2. Document scrutiny. The Survey of India team will verify and scrutinize the documents you have uploaded. This may take some time. Step 3. User ID and password. After successful scrutiny of your documents, you will be allotted a unique user ID and password. These credentials will be sent to you via the email ID you provided in the registration form. Step 4. If you face any issue. If you do not receive any information about your account creation within 24 working hours, it is advised to raise a query by contacting the CORS customer support team using the details below.
This brings us to the end of this tutorial on the CORS registration process under the Naksha project. To summarize the steps we covered today, visit cors.surveyofindia.gov.in and click on Registration. Keep your documents ready, photo ID and annexure form. Select your region, enter your mobile number and click Proceed. Enter the OTP received on your mobile and verify. Fill in the registration form with personal details and upload required documents. Click Submit and note your acknowledgement number. Wait for your user ID and password to be sent to your email. Once you receive your credentials, you can sign in to the CORS portal, buy a subscription, and start using real-time GNSS correction data for your survey operations. I hope this video was helpful. For any queries, please use the contact details shared in the previous slide. Thank you for watching.